Crosswords are such an effective way to engage with any material, right? But let's be honest, creating them can take ages. That's why today I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT and Interacty to create crosswords in around 5 minutes with all the clues ready to go. If that sounds like something you need, stick around, I'm diving into it right now. Alright, the first thing I do is head over to chatgpt.com. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a crossword based on school-themed vocabulary. Here is what I'm typing. Please provide 10 school-themed crossword clues with one-word answers. Each clue should be followed by its one-word answer separated by a dash. So here we go, it's giving me clues and answers right now. For example, academic period, and the answer is semester. It's exactly what I was looking for, so I'll keep it. But if you don't like the result, just ask ChatGPT to generate another one until you're happy with it. Once all the clues and answers are ready, head over to interacty.me. The link will be in the description. If you don't have an account, it's easy to sign up using your Google account. Let's create a new project here on Interacty. Then add a new crossword block to the page. Next, start editing it by clicking the Edit button. Here you'll see the fields for your answers and clues that need to be filled in. Just switch back to the ChatGPT tab and copy the first clue. Go back to Interacty and paste it into the clue field. Then switch back to ChatGPT, copy the answer using Command C and paste it into the word field on Interacty. It's really that simple, just switch between ChatGPT and Interacty, copying and pasting the clues and answers. Repeat this process for the other words and clues. When you're done, click Save. You can also add a timer and customize the design elements here. Hit Preview to ensure your crossword works as intended. Here is our crosswords, and below we see our clues. Let's try entering an answer. Perfect. If everything looks good, click Publish to finalize your crossword. Your crossword is ready. You can copy the link and use it online. I recommend sending it to your students through your online messaging platform so they can access the crossword on their phones right in the class. Or project it into a big screen for a whole class to solve together. You can even take a step further and print your crossword to hand out during the lesson. Just click the purple Convert to PDF button to get a PDF version of your crossword. Simply print it out and give it to your students. So that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. I'll catch you in the next one.